Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program the smart key for 2022 Trumpchi Emkoo. Now we need to prepare a K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and original car key and a new smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Okay, now let's do it.
Plug in OBD communication cable. Select Generate Smart Key. Select GAC. Find Emkoo. Select the menu after 2022. Put our key into the slot. Click Generate. OK. Generate successfully. Return to the main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find Trumpchi Emkoo. Select Program Smart Key. Select All Key Lost. 8-digit password. This function will delete all smart keys. Click OK. Turn on the ignition switch and hazard lights. OK. Enter 8-digit password. OK. Please put the first key to program in the sensing area. Take the other keys out of the car. OK. Program successfully. Continue to program the next one. Click OK. Put the second key to be programmed into the induction area. Take the other keys out of the car. OK. Programming completed. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. The number of programmed keys is 2. OK. Programming completed. OK. Key programmed successful. Now, let's see if the key works properly. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The original car key started successfully. The new key hits the brake. Press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's test if the remote control is normal. Lock and unlock with the original key. New key locks and unlocks. The remote control is normal.
Program the smart key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.